Welcome to your Psychology of Human Sexuality class. I want to introduce you to what your page looks like, your home page looks like, and what you will be seeing as you go through each item. So at the top of the page, you will be seeing recent announcements. These announcements are there for you to understand what's going on. And one of the most important things that we're going to be doing in this class is anytime you do any of your discussions, and you see over here there's 5 of them, you will be using APA formatting. If you do not know what APA format is, then simply click on the icon and it will take you to another page so that you can look and see what that APA formatting is all about. This human sexuality class is going to introduce you to how we study the discipline of human sexuality. We start off with these announcements, and then in order to get to the information that we're going to be studying in the class, this is where you begin. So each module has certain chapters in it. If you notice, Module 1 is over chapters 1 through 4. There are some videos here that you can look at, and then there will be some chapter activities. The chapter activities will be from McGraw-Hill, and you will need the access code in order to do those. At the appropriate time, test 1 will show up, as will the chapter activities. The chapter activities are due at the same time as the test. Then we will move on to chapter 2, and you notice there's 3 chapters for chapter 2. Always take a look at your grades. This grades module will come up, and you can see exactly what kind of grades you have in the class at this point. Please understand that the final grade in this class is set up based on points, not on percentages. Your syllabus is also located here. Here is the syllabus for the human sexuality class, and there's a lot of important information in here as to what you should be doing. Remember, this is an online class, so everything will be done on your computer. We have 6 tests. Here's the outline of the 6 tests. Each test grade can be calculated according to this format. Discussions, you have to have 2 days of discussions, and a total point of words is 250. Each discussion is worth 20 points. In this class, as I said, there will be following point scale. So it takes 423 points to get an A in this class. Please remember that Netiquette does apply to this class, and I want you to make sure that you are responding to everybody as you should. We have some tools here for academic honesty and just the calendars and policies of Valencia College. The last thing on your syllabus has to do with the calendar of events. There is an ungraded discussion that's due on September 2nd. It is required. If you do not complete this particular discussion, you may be withdrawn from class. I want to welcome you to this campus and remind you that you do need an access code to go into McGraw-Hill. Now, this particular area, you will find it underneath chapter activities and tests. When you click on it, it will ask you for the access code that comes with your textbook. If you have any questions regarding how this class is run or any of the policies, if you would please email me, I would definitely appreciate it, and I will get back with you as soon as I can. Hope you have a great semester. You take care, and we'll talk soon. Thank you.